Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a topic to your live on TikTok. So go to the plus button here. Then you are going to go to the live section. Then you are going to go to add topic here. Then you're going to select the topic you want, for instance, gaming. Then you're also going to select the game you play, for instance, Roblox, and then you're just going to select go live. That is it. Super simple, easy. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.